If you're tired of scooping cat litter and want an affordable automatic solution, stay with me until the end because I'll reveal the top 5 best budget automatic cat litter boxes, breaking down real performance, odor control, safety features, and long-term reliability. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. From the beginning, please watch the full video to know which product wins as the best overall budget automatic cat litter box at the end. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. Automatic Litter Box. This open-top automatic litter box is designed for multiple cats and features app control, safety sensors, and a large capacity waste bin. It includes 2 rolls of liners and delivers reliable odor control through efficient waste separation. Product reviews. Users appreciate its quiet operation and straightforward setup. Many note that the large waste bin reduces the frequency of emptying, making it convenient for busy schedules. Pros: open-top design for easy entry. Large capacity waste container. App control for remote monitoring. Built-in safety sensors. Includes 2 rolls of liners. Number 4. Self-cleaning litter box. This self-cleaning litter box features an open-top design, automated cleaning, and comes with a liner set and mat. It's designed for multi-cat households and uses motion sensors to ensure safe operation. Product reviews. Customers highlight the excellent odor control, especially for the price. Many say the included mat is a nice bonus that helps reduce litter tracking around the home. Pros: automated self-cleaning system. Motion sensors for safety. Includes liners and a litter trapping mat. Suitable for multiple cats. Strong odor management. Number 3. FEELNEEDY Litter Box. The FEELNEEDY automatic litter box stands out with its 65L large capacity, real-time app monitoring, odor control system, and adorable cat ear design. It's built for homes with multiple cats and includes safety sensors to prevent accidents. Product reviews. Users love the fun design, large interior space, and reliable odor control. Many appreciate the app's real-time updates, making it easy to monitor activity and cleaning cycles. Pros: cute cat ear aesthetic. Large 65L capacity. Real-time app monitoring. Effective odor control. Safety sensors for multi-cat use. Number 2. Neakasa M1. The Neakasa M1 offers an open-top design for better ventilation, an odor-free waste disposal system, app control, and a quiet auto-clean cycle. It includes trash bags and is engineered to prevent clumping or sticking inside the drum. Product reviews. Buyers consistently praise the odor-free waste compartment and the reliability of the cleaning mechanism. Many note how quiet it is compared to other automatic litter boxes. Pros: open-top design for fresh airflow. Odor-free sealed waste disposal. Quiet auto-clean operation. App control for convenience. Includes trash bags. Number 1. Large litter box. This self-cleaning litter box features a large capacity suitable for multiple cats, advanced safety sensors, app control, and a removable washable liner. With strong odor management and easy maintenance, it's designed for households seeking a budget-friendly hands-free solution. Product reviews. Users appreciate the sturdy build, excellent odor control, and the convenience of the washable liner. Many mention that it performs similarly to more expensive models, making it a strong budget contender. Pros: large capacity for multi-cat homes. Washable removable liner. App-controlled cleaning cycles. Accurate safety sensors. Includes 2 rolls of garbage bags. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. After evaluating price, safety features, odor control, app performance, and user feedback, the automatic self-cleaning litter box, large capacity, gray, is the best budget automatic cat litter box of 2025. It delivers excellent value with premium-like features at an affordable price. If this video helped you choose the right budget automatic cat litter box, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 reviews. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.